Good morning, paint equipment sales, Peoria, Arizona. Hope everyone had a great Memorial Day weekend. Right here we got a 1997 Cummins powered F800 with a chipper on the back, BC1500. So any of my clients that are looking for a chipper and a truck combo, come start making your money right now. This thing is awesome. Also in front of our lot, 236 right here, and then behind that is we got a blacked out 2018 Case 580N. Enclosed, company closed down, so we got two of their backhoes. Come look at us, paint equipment sales, Peoria, Arizona. Once again, chipper, truck, F800, start making your money today. Peoria, Arizona, sales at paintequipmentsales.com. Have a great day, everyone.